Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can change region on the Lyft Driver app. You want to open up the Lyft Driver app, make sure you're signed in with your current account. You will then tap on your profile icon, which is going to be found in the top left or top right corner. You want to go into account or settings. This is where your personal and driving info is stored, and we'll look for a section called driving region or driving area. This might say something like region or approved city. You will tap edit or update. Some regions don't allow self changes. You want to keep reading. Submit a request to Lyft if needed. If there is no option to change it manually, you will have to contact support through the app. You will tap help, then select account and app, choose changing my region, and we'll write a short message asking to change your region. We will then wait for confirmation. Lyft will respond usually within 24 to 48 hours and may ask for proof of residence like a utility bill or lease and an updated driver's license or vehicle documents. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.